It is the 25th of August 2026, and this is today's Spanish A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Andy Burnham and the possibility of tax rises in the autumn budget. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, la planta de aluminio divide la votación republicana en Oklahoma.
The aluminium plant divides the Republican vote in Oklahoma. The verb, divide, is a clear everyday verb here. It means one thing splits people into different sides. Politics and industry, always a cheerful mix.
Next, Canadá prepara aranceles de respuesta contra Estados Unidos.
Canada is preparing retaliatory tariffs against the United States. Aranceles means tariffs. It is a trade word you will often see in business news. Trade rows love a good technical noun.
And Andy Burnham pide quitar vídeos de conducción peligrosa.
Andy Burnham asks for videos of dangerous driving to be removed. Quitar means to remove or take away. It is a very common verb in Spanish.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Andy Burnham no descarta subidas de impuestos en el presupuesto de otoño. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Andy Burnham.
Andy Burnham
No descarta.
does not rule out
Subidas de impuestos.
tax rises
En el presupuesto de otoño.
in the autumn budget.
The phrase no descarta is a very useful news verb pattern. It means the person is leaving the possibility open, not saying yes yet, but not saying no either.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Burnham habló antes del presupuesto de otoño.
Burnham spoke before the autumn budget.
El presupuesto será el 28 de octubre.
The budget will be on 28th October.
Él dijo que no quiere ser poco realista.
He said that he does not want to be unrealistic. Quiere is from querer, meaning to want. It is a very common beginner verb.
También dijo que hará un plan cuidadoso para la economía.
He also said that he will make a careful plan for the economy.
Según las noticias, hay poca base para gastar más dinero.
According to the news, there is little basis for spending more money. Hey means there is or there are. It is one of the most useful words in Spanish.
Now for the verb of the day. Hablar. In English, that means to speak. Here it is in the present tense. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Él, ella, usted habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan.
Here's a normal everyday example. Yo hablo con mi madre por teléfono. In English, I speak with my mother on the phone.
One last time at full speed. Andy Burnham no descarta subidas de impuestos en el presupuesto de otoño. Now you Before you go, one question from today's story. ¿Cuándo será el presupuesto?
That is, when will the budget be? Cuando asks about time. Here it is in everyday Spanish. ¿Cuándo empieza la película? When does the film start?
Is it A, el 28 de octubre, en verano? Or C, mañana por la mañana?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.